a Pak made M4. Originally, this is import from USA.
This is the first time I'm holding a gun of this size. They're trying some weapon.
Beretta FS92, 20,000 to 25,000.
It's not too heavy, it's okay.
Lower area is silver and this is the steel.
They are extremely precise.
We are exported to Iraq, Oman.
Pakistanis love arms. You can see it, right? Most houses, most households apparently have arms here and there. And most of these buildings around here are weapons factories basically. See, even here in the front there are arms shops. After roaming a lot through the arms factories, I finally found one gun factory where they can show us how pistols are made. This is the place. Assalamu alaikum. Salam ji. क्या हाल है? So नीचे क्या होता है फिर?
पिस्टल बनता है।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। क्या हाल है? ठीक ठाक? ठीक है। How do you make the pistols? Like right here, what are you doing here?
For myself, I am operating a CNC machine.
Okay.
Yeah, and then all the guys are working here in a pistol, Beretta FS92, M9A3, M9A4, all the model of Beretta, Zigana, Glock, everything making here.
Okay. And this is
Beretta FS92.
FS92. Okay.
And this is M9A3.
And is it heavy?
Yeah.
This is made of what? Steel?
Yeah, this is steel and this is iron.
Okay, steel and iron.
Yeah.
Okay. You can see how many different parts they have. This is where the bullet goes, right?
Yeah. This is the barrel.
Okay. These are the other parts and there are so many other things being made here. आप क्या बन रहे हो अभी? मतलब ये वाला piece बन रहा है.
Firstly, he is prepare all the parts of this pistol and then color it, and then he taking all the parts and fit the Beretta.
Okay. And then in other places you do other parts.
Yeah.
And can you show me a little?
Every guy here is having our own works. One thing doing this man and this all the people doing different works, and then from all the works he's the pistol being to color and then shift it to this man to fit.
See how very interesting, right? I've never seen this in my life, that's for sure. And there are just pistols everywhere. Assalamu alaikum.
Here firstly all the parts are not being polished, and then this guy polished all the pistol and going to be colored.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is a raw.
Yeah, this is a raw material. And
then it
from
becomes...
this he make this, and then I clean all the parts of this and going to be colored.
Okay. So there are many people doing a lot of different things.
Yeah.
Then how many guns do you make in one day? Total, more or less.
We making pistol weekly.
Weekly.
Yeah.
And how many do you make in 1 week?
I think above 100. He is not being difference in original and this one.
On this side, what do you do inside there?
Here is the machine.
The machine, okay. Oh, they have huge machines actually.
Machine parts are making. This is the parts of Beretta FS92.
Okay.
All the parts are made in by machine. Frame. We are silver frame of Beretta FS92.
This is the silver frame. See. So then you'll have to dig this one, right? Okay, so this is just how it is before, right? Like it's full metal, then they'll be digging it like that. See the difference?
Yeah, see the difference.
Okay. And how long does it take to make this from this?
I think half a day.
Half a day, okay. Okay. So it's a lot of craftsmanship. Oh, this is how it happens, okay. And then it gets very light basically. And this is the upper part of the pistol.
slide on the.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
This guy making the small parts of Brita.
Small parts.
Yeah.
So like which parts?
This he's making the part. This is the magazine button of Brita FS92.
How much does one pistol cost when it's ready?
It's PKR 20,000 to 25,000.
20 to 25, okay. There are so many factories of RMs in.
All the factories.
This is
I
the area.
think the hundred of factories here.
100, okay. And this is another side of the factory. Huge heavy machinery everywhere. Assalamu alaikum.
I am operating this one. These two machines.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And what do you do here?
I am making the M4 parts. M16 A4.
Oh, so you're... What is that? What's happening there? This is oil.
Yeah, oil.
And what do you do with the oil? I mean...
For finishing and polish the surface of the body.
See how many things they have here also. Do you know the price of this machine, of this one machine? How much could it be in rupees?
In rupees, this one buy in the last month by 41 lakh.
41 lakh, okay. So 15,000 USD maybe.
Yeah,
A lot.
imported from Taiwan.
Here you are setting up a new...
Yeah, we buying new machines for this area and covering all the area for machines.
Okay.
Yeah.
You are expanding the factory.
Expanding the setup of.
ऊपर भी देख सकते हैं. Okay. Now we're going upstairs. Let's see what it's like upstairs. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, this is a very different part.
Are also making here.
Okay.
It's all the same factory.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Salam ji.
Here also
Salam.
Brita is made.
Here they're doing the same thing they're doing
The same
downstairs.
thing being done. This is the experience one guys.
अच्छा तो जी सलाम अलैकुम.
Working from 1998.
1998.
Yeah.
अच्छा ओके. और भाई आप आपकी जिंदगी में कितने पिस्तौल बनाया? काफी 5,000 so 5,000.
No.
Or
More. This is the final look of Beretta FS92.
This is the final one. Okay. Whoa. And can I hold it? Just to see how.
Yeah.
It's not too heavy. It's okay.
Yeah, but
Right.
after all the works, this been made slightly. Lower area is silver and this is the steel.
How many people work in this factory total, more or less?
150.
150. So someone is working in the morning, someone in the evening.
Yeah. Changing the shifts.
Night also you work.
Yeah.
All 24 hours you work.
Yeah, all 24 hours working.
You can see even a bit more. Italy में आपको पता है कौन सी जगह?
वो ट्रिस्टी में है वो।
और तीस में तीस मेरा घर से शायद 30-40 मिनट दूर है.
Yeah.
जी, हाँ.
He is living in Milan.
Oh, you lived in Milan? Okay. And how was Italy?
Yes.
Italy कैसा था?
अच्छा था बहुत.
अच्छा था. हाँ.
Nice. He lived for 11 years in Turkey.
In Turkey also?
Yeah, in Istanbul.
In Istanbul?
Yeah, he speak Turkish very well.
Oh, you speak Turkish also?
You speak Turkish?
No, I don't know Turkish, but maybe one day inshallah. Yeah.
He said that what you want to eat or drink.
पानी चलेगा. इस पीस बनाने के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा?
इसमें 3 hours लगेगा.
What do you do when some part comes out wrong? Like if it doesn't come well, do you reuse the metal and you make a new piece, or how do you do?
No, we doesn't reuse the metal. We sell fresh metals for this because every mixture of metal doesn't work in this. It's give much strong. It's maybe much strong to fire.
Some pistols cost 20,000, and the most expensive one, how much is it?
The most expensive one in Pakistan is about to 40,000, and when we import from in other countries, it may be to 12 lakhs Pakistani.
12 lakhs.
Yeah.
So here is like 20 times cheaper maybe.
Yeah. And it's not work better than this.
So this is same
This is
basically.
the same result like the imported one.
Okay. So yeah, I guess if you want to buy a gun in general, just come to Pakistan. Don't buy it from the very expensive shops. Here they have quality and everything, you can see. How long does it take to finish one gun total? To make it from scratch until the end? How much time?
I
Days?
think a day.
Only a day for one gun. Okay. So it's a
All the people in these 3 rooms making 45 pistols in a week.
they are extremely precise. Like looks like they are made with laser.
Yeah, and this all the handmade.
Wholly handmade. Where do you sell these weapons? Where do you sell them in Pakistan or outside
Yeah,
also?
outside of the country. Now we are exported to Iraq, Oman,
Oh,
Iran.
okay.
Yeah, we sending this pistol to Quetta, and then he sell to another country.
Also from Balochistan they
Yeah,
sell everything. See, this is the roof. These are the rooms where they do everything. We were just sitting inside here. Here there are more spots where they do stuff. And then there is one more room too. And they are all Assalamu alaikum. They are more or less repeating the same process over and over. All the buildings around here are weapon factories. Like they make Kalashnikovs, they make guns, pistols of any type. Oh, Beretta! Beretta, see, ironically, Beretta is an Italian brand, Italian like me basically, and they make guns and this kind of things. This is the showroom, Salamji. Oh, they're full of offices and things. East side way.
Yeah, where you want to go?
Anywhere.
Yeah.
Salam alaikum. So this is the showroom basically.
Yeah.
Okay. And here you have all the final products.
Yeah. But now it's the start of the week. We have less quantity of pistol. In the end of the week, like Saturday, we have more quantity of for selling.
And they are just displayed here.
Displayed here and stored in a room like our store room.
Okay. And those ones though, you don't make those?
Yeah.
Or you make
No,
those?
we make this.
You make this also?
Yeah.
Can we see it? I don't know, I never held any of these. And what do you call this one? ये कौन सा है भाई?
Yeah, this is the M4.
M4.
Yeah.
अच्छा
This is the Pak made M4.
M4 और Moonstar made ठीक है. और ये originally किधर से? मतलब अमेरिका से?
Yeah, this
US
is
है ना?
originally this is import from USA.
USA. Then
And
you replicate.
Yeah, then we replicate this to our own made.
Ah.
We making all the parts. I making this parts in this one and this one in this machine that you see.
In the machine.
Yeah.
This is the first time I'm holding a gun of this size. I don't even know how to hold it. How do you hold it? This way. I'm left.
Yeah. This.
This way. Like that, basically. Crazy. It's not too heavy though. It's
No, it's all silver.
silver.
Except the barrel. This is all the part of this is silver, made from silver.
It's not easy actually to.
Yeah, it's so difficult, but most of the people want to live in Italy, Germany, France.
So this is also Munster made
Yeah.
और वो भी दोनों.
Yes.
तो ये कौन सा मॉडल है फिर? ये वाला मॉडल क्या है मतलब
ये
नाम?
M4A1
M4A1 और दूसरे वाले same मतलब the upper one
Yes, the upper one, the lower one. These are same models.
all same model.
Yes.
Okay. Shukriya. How is the business going then?
Alhamdulillah, mashallah.
How many years have you been doing this for?
It's from our father's father.
So it's like a family business.
Yes, a family.
And right now we are growing.
Yes.
You are expanding.
Yes.
Okay. Where do you sell your weapons? You sell them.
Some of them are exported and some of them are going to Pakistan army and
Okay.
civilians who are authorized with government.
And you export like in which countries usually?
Turkey.
Turkey
Yes,
also.
Barabor. We manufacture 12 gauge shotguns of hunting.
And what's your age right now?
26.
26, okay. We are almost the same. I'm 28 right now, so we are not too far. I must say you have a very alternative business because at least I'm coming from Italy, and in Italy there are very few gun factories in that sense, right? Very few. Like the one Beretta is one of
Yes,
them.
also Italy. It's
Yeah.
also coming from Italy.
But seeing it here and seeing that there are so many factories around here is very weird for us coming from that side.
Yes, exactly.
This is the area where they make all these weapons basically. What a surreal experience that was. Just think that I'm traveling in Pakistan and I end up in a gun factory. I didn't know if it could happen or not. I saw some videos where people were going and filming these things, so I guess it's possible. See, they are trying the weapons right now. It's so weird. Someone is shooting right behind me. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching today's video. I guess these are not videos you'll see very often on the internet. I hope they won't demonetize it. I just want to show how it works because this is a business that you do here, nothing more than that. So thanks for watching again. Please take care, subscribe. I have memberships. If you want to support me, please donate some money, PayPal, buy me a coffee, whatever. All the links are in the description of the video and on my YouTube channel too. See you in the next Pakistan episode then.